Alright guys, welcome back to this lesson. In this lesson, we are going to create a default route that renders whenever a user goes to an unmatched URL in our browser. So let's create a NotFound.js file inside of our component folder. NotFound.js. Let's create and export our JSX so we can see const NotFound is equal to an arrow function. And this is simply going to return, a div. This is simply going to return a div tag. Inside of our div, we can define a h1 tag that says page not found. And below that, we can use a link tag that says go back to homepage. And inside the link tag, we can specify the path to take us to, which is simply the / to take us back home. We actually need to import our link component from React Router DOM. So I'm just going to say import link, and I have a suggestion here from React Router DOM. And then right below, we just need to export our component. Export default not found. Another typo. Okay. Now let's head over to our app.js and import our new not found component. So over here, we're just going to import not found from component not found. All right. Since this route is meant to show up whenever a user goes to a page that doesn't exist, it makes sense for us to render it as a standalone route. That means we don't have to nest it inside of our navbar component. So right below our navbar closing route, we can create another route just like this and set our element prop to be our not found component, not found, just like this. Now comes the important thing. Again, since we want the not found component to always show up in every route that doesn't exist in our application, the value of our path prop, which I'm going to create, the value of our path prop is going to be the wildcard symbol. Just like this. With this, whenever we go to an unmatched route, this will be the component that will pop up. Let's test that out. So back in our browser, let's go to a route we know we never created in this application. So let's just try /product and hit enter. As you can see, we have our not found component being rendered for us. Let's try another random route. So I'm just going to input a random word here, hit enter, and we still have our not found page. And if we click go back to home page, this works perfectly fine, as you can see. If we also click on the users page, this works perfectly fine. But as soon as we go to a route that doesn't exist, we should see our not found component being rendered to us over here. All right.